Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel once again. Thank you all so much for always tuning in to watch my video. If today is your first time of coming across my channel, you are highly welcome, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also like and share with your family and friends. So guys, in today's video I'm making my daughter say Shuku Ghana weaving, and I decided to film it and share with you guys. So as you can see, I love starting with her hair first before adding extension. So I'm just going to start with her hair first and start adding a extension. As you can see, the more I'm unrolling, the more I'm adding the extension. And the type of Ghana weaving I'm doing is not like the old Ghana weaving. You know, the old type of Ghana weaving we normally make is, you see the extension you are adding on top of the weaving, but this one is the hidden one, the one you hit the attachment inside. It will look like just normal cornrow. So that is what I'm doing. As you can see, if I add the attachment, the one at my right hand, I will leave it and later take it back to the left hand and continue cornrolling. So that is what I'm doing. It's not difficult to learn, it's very easy to make. So that is how I'm going to be doing it. And at the end of the mouth, as you can see, I'm not going to finish the unrolling the mouth of the attachment. I'm just going to braid a little and leave the rest because I'm going to be coiling the hair later. So I'm just going to braid a little and use a little piece of attachment to secure the mouth of the braiding, to secure it from losing. So that is how I'm going to be making the rest of the ones. Thank you all so much. I'm going to leave you guys to watch for yourself. See you guys in my next video, and please don't forget to like, share, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you all so much. See you guys in my next video. I love you all. Bye.